ideas, great results. And today, first of all, how do you like my fireplace new look? This is called stacked stone brick, and it is amazing the look that you get. And it looks 3D because of the shadows and the different color variation. So I like to share to you what I went through and how I got this look. So the first thing I thought, I kept seeing this brick wall everywhere. Everywhere I went, and I thought, wouldn't it be nice to have my fireplace done like that? So of course I was not ready to go through the mess that you go through when you're doing something like that. I was not ready to go through the expense, and I was not ready to give up my nice tile underneath. So I opted for vinyl, and it is amazing what it does. So what I did is I went ahead and I ordered these vinyl sheets on Amazon, I believe. And the first time that I looked at it, I thought, oh no, it is completely the wrong color. I really expected more of a earth tone colors, and these are more like grayish tones, but I still liked it, and I said, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. And I just really like how it came out. And I still got my Christmas decorations, as you can see. I usually like to enjoy it for a few more weeks after Christmas. So the first thing you want to do is order some of your vinyl, and I think I went to Amazon under vinyl wall coverings, and this one was like $2.50 a roll, so you can't beat that price. And I also had to find 2 paint colors that would coordinate with my new fireplace. Toffee Crunch. One is darker than the other ones, but they're in the same shade. So I'll bring them up so you can see them really quick. And so let's go ahead and get started. I will go ahead and move some of my Christmas decorations out of the way so we can work better. And I started right here in this corner. Okay, so you're gonna start wherever you want the line to end. I would recommend to start right there and measure from the top all the way to the bottom. Leave a little bit of the edge so you can wrap around the tile. And so you measure, you cut, decide how high your fireplace is. And then what I did is I went ahead and I cut it, and then you have to find out where the brick connects to the other side. So make sure you go and match. So you might have to go through a few pieces before you find the match. And then you mark right here and you mark right here. And so I went ahead and measured it first, and then I went ahead and cut it. And of course here I run into some trouble where I had one piece here and another piece here. But as long as you match them, and I had to order a few extra ones because I did run out of paper because I had to do the bottom. And if you do it right to the edge, you know, and you sit here, it's best to put something to seal it so it doesn't come apart. But my line, I did it right under the grout, so it's not that bad. So like I said, I am going to continue over here because I actually ran out of paper, so I actually just put different pieces that did not match, and I ordered a few more, so it's time to finish it. And like I said, we're gonna try to find the right place to cut, and the line ends right here. Okay, and there's where it goes, a continuation of the brick pattern. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and mark, draw a line, and cut. And I've already measured and cut one, so I'm going to go ahead and take these off. Okay, so I just went ahead and peeled the old vinyl that was not matched right with the brick. And I've already cut the one I had measured, and what you're going to do is peel it off. And what you're going to do is you're going to start from the side, not from the top up here, but from the side, so that all these brick lines are matched exactly along with the other ones. So let's go ahead and, oh, by the way, this is my old brick that you see, or tile. So as you can see by the color that everything was very warm and reddish. So I wanted something cooler and neutral just to go with everything. And I think it really came out nice. So here we go. And try to put it as close as you can to the other line. Okay, all the way to the bottom. And then we're going to peel it from the back, pressing. Some people like to use sponges, but I just like to press straight along. And it looks like I am missing a little bit on the top, so I am going to remove it and put it up higher. So by the way, when I ordered this vinyl adhesive, it was only $137 a roll, and now it's $365. So but it's still pretty inexpensive. And I just went to Amazon vinyl brick wallpaper. So yeah, it's called Sodial Art 3D Stone Vinyl. So for those of you that would like to do this project, whether on a big wall or a fireplace. All right, hopefully we're much better. It's not showing too much on the top. And you're just going to continue all the way to the back and you'll be done. Well, here you have the finished product, and you can see the fireplace. And like I said, it's still decorated for Christmas. But anyways, this was a fun project. I am very happy with the results, and I'll share again with you the color of the wall and the vinyl colors. Well, thank you for joining me on this project, and I would just like to go over it a few things with you. Let's see, I have a little drawing here that I had mentioned you can actually build your own little wall out of boxes if you stack them up together, and just determine how high you want your fireplace. And you just use Gorilla Tape to tape them together, and then tape two across, and then you can find a little shelf or a little wood. You can even stain it for your mantle, or you can also build one out of a cardboard. Just buy one of those presentation boards, and all you have to do is they already are folded, and just cut them about 2 inches from the wall, so it'll be just sticking out about 2 inches. And you go ahead and cut the opening, and then you can use your battery candles in the middle, and then after you've done that, cover it with this nice brick stack wall vinyl, and you would have a nice little focal wall. So and in order to attach it to your wall, you can use the command tape in the back, And again, for my wallpaper, my wall colors, I use I use flat color because it's better for living rooms. One is darker than the other one, and one it's called Brown Tippy, and the other one is Toffee Crunch, and they go perfect with this vinyl. So let me go ahead and bring it up close so you can see my other idea for building your own little fireplace. And here again you can see more of a finished product. Here's the stock boxes taped together. You can also use a shelving unit. I saw some at Hobby Lobby and they really are hollowed inside, but they look really heavy. So that would really look nice for your top wall. And then you can also build a little base if you want to. So thank you for joining me again, and we'll see you next time. If you've enjoyed this show, give me a big thumbs up and have a happy new year.